We talk football SA, inform, entertain, educate, promote. Le video le is brought to you by Fezile Security Services. Mfowethu igama uthini?
Ngigama nguNeo.
Yeah.
Mina anginawo amagama amaningi into engizoyisho ukuthi asibe patient.
Yeah.
Singajahi ukuthi uhambile sibe patient maningi ama player.
Yebo.
Build up step by step.
Bonakele
kahle. Kuhamba kahle. Asibe patient. Yonke into izohamba kahle ngesikhathi. Abekho abashiyayo sisalingana ngama points.
Yeah.
Asifocus game by game, step by step. MTN second leg noma sasi 1-1. Sifuna ama results you are important. Yabo. You are important. So patient is less to godliness.
Yeah. So about today's game, who was the best player on the pitch according to you?
According to
Not
me,
according to them.
I have two players, but I have one which is Spelebele,
Yes.
two and Sema.
Yes.
So according to me, ngizoyipa uSpelebele as umuntu obe namathekile amaningi, awunamabhola amaningi, nama-cross amaningi. So nginika uSpelebele for mina. Yeah, Spelebele great performance. I hope no coach lapho uyabona since umndawo angekho uSpelebele ukhona for ikhefu.
Siyabonga mfowethu.
Sibonge.